Welcome to my channel e-learning zone. Today we are going to study a very important topic, that is notice writing. It is a very important and scoring topic from examination point of view, but students tend to lose marks here. So in today's video, let's clear our doubts and learn the tricks to ace this topic. Let's have a look at the marking scheme. This topic is of 4 marks in any of the board exams, and it is divided, the 4 marks are divided as such. The format will have 1 mark, content is for 2 marks, and the expression carries 1 mark. So let us understand the format of the notice writing. Notice is always written in a box. Whenever there is a question to write a notice, we are supposed to draw a box and then write the notice in it. Then name of the organization. The first thing that we are going to write here is name of the organization. Write the word notice after that in the next line. You can leave a line and then write the word notice there. Then, and that notice word is going to be written in capital letters. Write the date, subject, for what you are writing the notice, that becomes the subject, and then the body. Body of the notice will contain all the information that you are supposed to give, and that will be written in 1 paragraph. Leave a line, write the name of the person who is writing the notice, and then the designation of the issuing authority. The notice can be asked for various topics during the examination, the most common ones being lost and found of any personal thing, seminars, workshops, sports day of a school, annual day of schools, competitions like dancing, singing, swimming, etc., cultural events that happen in the societies or in your school. And basically it is an announcement. The notice is basically an announcement, and the real life notices can be seen on the boards of the societies or the schools pinned. And if you want, you can just go and have a look at them. The issuing authorities for the notice can be school, residential societies, etc. So the important points that we are supposed to keep in mind while we are writing the notice is that a notice is an information given regarding any important event that is about to happen or has already taken place. A notice must contain complete information about the event. A notice must be short, crisp, and must have an eye-catching caption. A notice must answer the questions what, when, where, why, and how. The whole information should be given. When is the event happening? What is the event about? Where, the place of the event, the venue should be there. Why is it happening? And how it is happening. Whatever, as much as information you want, you should share there. A notice must definitely have a date, the date of issuing. It should definitely be there. A notice must be written in a box. The purpose of the notice must be very clearly mentioned. The expressions, the grammatical accuracy should be there. There should be no spelling mistake while we are writing a notice. And the name of the issuing authority, school, organization, whatever, whosoever is the this issuing authority should definitely be mentioned there. And name and the designation of the person issuing the notice should be there. So this is just a simple, these are just the simple things that you should keep in mind while you are writing a notice. So here is an example of how you will get a question in your examination and how you are supposed to attempt it. Say the question comes as, you are Rohan Gupta, head boy of Spring Hills Academy. Your school is having a book fair for students of middle school, classes 6 to 8 on 15 July 2019 from 12:30 to 2 in the afternoon. Write a notice for the school notice board informing the students for the same. And the word limit should not exceed 50 to 80 words. So to attempt this question, the first thing we are going to do is write the name of the school. That here is given as Spring Hills Academy. So that is the first thing we are going to write in the first line. Leave one line and then write the date. Again, in the next line, you're going to write notice. Write notice in capital letters. Leave one line and write the subject. What is the notice about? Here, it is about the book fair. So we are mentioning here the book fair. Now comes the body of the notice. Here, all the information that is given there in the question is supposed to come in your body of the notice. So as we go here, just have a look here. All the students of middle school, classes 6 to 8 are hereby informed that our school is organizing a book fair on 15 July 2019. Here the date has come. Saturday from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. The time. Many known publishers, Penguin, Rupa, Oxford and Scholastic, etc. would be present there. Here you are giving the information. More information you are giving here. Heavy discounts are expected for our students. Be there to avail the offers. For further details, contact the undersigned. And here the name of the head boy that was given there, Rohan Gupta. You are not supposed to write your own name. You are supposed to write the name that is mentioned there in the question. So here it is Rohan Gupta. You are going to write the Rohan Gupta there and his designation, the head boy. It could be monitor. If it is mentioned there, monitor in the question, you are supposed to write monitor there. Whatever is there in the question, you have to put every information here on the paper. And the final thing, don't forget to put all of this, the whole notice in a box. You have to draw a box around whatever you have written that carries marks. Here we come to an end. Hope you understood the topic well. We have kept the topic as simple as possible. But still, if you have any queries, comment down. Thank you for watching. More videos will be out soon. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.